Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much.
So that was exactly the way I reacted when I first saw the product.
Dull hair. Hate oils. Still want to manage your hair? Presenting the new ever Pantene Pro-V Oil Replacement. अब तेल को तेल लगाओ.
So hello everyone, I am Shoma from Cosmetics Arena. Welcome to my channel, and today's video, as you have already understood, this is a review video about the newly launched Pantene Pro-V Oil Replacement, and the tagline or the promotion line they are actually using is "Tel ko tel lagao." Seriously, tel ko tel lagao. I mean, why? Why, dear? Why? I mean, oils are so important in our life. We all know that. And then also the tagline also was not that much problematic to me, because I really felt that Pantene has done something innovative or something extraordinary this time. But alas, it didn't happen. So now let us move on to the ingredients. No, do not worry at all. I'm not gonna discuss all the ingredients in this video. I'm gonna make it monotonous. No, I'm not gonna do so. I would be discussing not more than 2 ingredients, and that's all I'm gonna do. But rest of the ingredients would be analyzed in the description section of my video, so please check them out too if you are interested. Now let us move on to the main basic ingredients. Number 1 problematic ingredient is dimethicone. Now dimethicone is a silicone component, and if you see ever dimethicone in any component list, then just immediately understand that the product has silicone in it, and we all know that silicone forms actually a filmy surface over anything. So if you apply siliconic product or silicone on your hair would feel super smooth. Your comb would just glide like dream and everything. But my dear friend, it's not gonna do, or it has got no connection at all with the nourishment of your hair or anything like that. It's not gonna improve the texture or quality of your hair. It has got no connection with that. Problematic ingredient number 2 and number 3 are methylparaben and propylparaben, and I couldn't believe my eyes that they have included parabens in it. I mean, why? I mean, people are all over, they are raging against parabens. We all know how harmful parabens are. I'm not talking about they are carcinogen or cancerous, because nothing has been proven actually, so there is no evidence at all. Now the thing is, parabens are harmful, we all know that, and we actually simply want to stay away from parabens, but I don't know why they have included parabens here. So those were the 3 problematic ingredients. Well, the rest of the ingredients are not impressive at all. You can check them out too in the description box below. Do not forget to check them out, because I have analyzed each and every ingredient inch by inch with detailed analysis, so do not forget to check them out. Now in this video, I'm not gonna do any kind of demonstration at all, because I'm gonna throw this away product right now, and I'm not gonna give it to anybody at all. Definitely, as you have already understood, my dear angels, I'm not gonna recommend this product to anybody, because this product and the ingredients are not only harmful for your hair but also harmful for your health as well. To cut the thing short, Pantene tried to do something innovative with a promotion line that "Tel ko tel lagao" sounds cool, amazing. Tel ko tel lagao. Wow, that sounds amazing advertisement, something else. Now talking about the innovation in terms of ingredients, it is not impressive. It was not impressive, and I'm highly disappointed, because what are you doing, Pantene? This won't work. The dimethicone, you are trying to push people to use silicone on their hair. Why? I mean, why? Just stop doing that, because there are many people actually who do not believe, or who do not know the benefits of oils, and they simply believe in these kinds of advertisements, and this is simply cheating. So don't do that. This was not an innovation. I cannot call that. So that was all about my today's review video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was something different that I usually do. I try to make it simple, short, and also full of drama, and I hope I did that. So thank you so much. If you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I make videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any feedback, any question, any suggestions in your mind, do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I read each and every comment. Well, there are very few comments I receive, but that's not the case. Just do share whatever you feel. Thank you so much for watching once again. Love you all. Take care and have an amazing life. Bye.